What is budgeting? Simple explanation for students. Ever wondered where all your pocket money disappears or why you run out of money just when you need it the most? You're not alone. Most students feel this way. But what if I told you that one simple habit could help you save, plan, and spend smarter right now, even before you start earning big? Money comes in and somehow it just vanishes. Whether it's canteen snacks, online games, or weekend outings, the money goes fast and you're left wondering, did I really need to spend that much? This confusion happens because there's no plan, no budget. And without a budget, money controls you instead of you controlling your money. So what's the solution? It's called budgeting. And no, it's not just for adults or accountants. Budgeting means making a simple plan for how you'll spend your money. It helps you understand where your money goes, save for things you really want, avoid running out of cash when you need it most. Even with just 100, you can learn to budget like a pro. I'll show you how to start step by step in this video. Set clear financial goals. Make your goals specific and time-bound. Create a budget that works. Allocate 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings. Build your emergency fund. Start small and be consistent. Invest for future growth. Invest according to your risk tolerance and goals. Have you ever tried budgeting before? Drop a comment and tell me what you usually spend your money on. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rumpke's educational channel for more smart money tips.